Hi everyone, this is Ajit from Catalyst Class. So now I'm going to talk about the area of the plane figure. In this we will see the triangles. Okay, so how to find out the perimeter and area of the triangles we will discuss in this lecture. Okay, so first thing, for a triangle, suppose I'm making a triangle. So triangle, this is the triangle. So this is the basically triangle, and the triangle I'm giving the name ABC, A and B, C. This is my the triangle. Okay, so how to find out the area of the triangle? So suppose if I draw the perpendicular to the base. Okay, so I'm drawing the perpendicular to the base. So what is now we will draw the line. Now I have drawn the perpendicular, okay, to the base from the vertex A. So this angle will become the 90 degree, and this angle will also become the 90 degree. Okay, so if I say the area of that rectangle, okay, area of the rectangle, sorry, area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, so this is the point D. Okay, so what will be the area of the rectangle? It will be the 1 by 2 base is BC. So this is the base. So base is BC, and into height is H, height is AD. So height is, if I write here the AD, okay, so it will be the 1 by 2 base BC into height is H. So this is the area of the triangle. Okay, this is the formula. It's a general formula. Okay, to find out the area of the triangle. If you know the height, okay, AD, then easily, and base, okay, of the triangle, so easily you can find out the area of the triangle. So now I'll talk about the area of the right angle triangle. So I'm drawing the right angle. Okay, so just consider this is the right angle triangle, and triangle triangle ABC. Okay, so triangle ABC. So I will write here the area of the right angle triangle. Okay, so how to find the area of the right angle triangle? Okay, so in this I have drawn the right angle triangle. This is the 90 degree. So if the if I say this is the side A, okay, and side A angle is 45 degree. Okay, this is the angle 45 degree, and angle this is the 90 degrees. So sum of the all the triangle of the all the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so if this is the side, BC side is A and AB side is A. Okay, so what will be the AC? So we know that the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square equal to AB square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So it will be the A square plus A square equal to 2A square. Okay, so AC equal to root 2A. Okay, so AC will become the root 2A. Fine. So we are considering whether this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, a right angle triangle where the two sides are equal, 45 degree. Both the angle is 45 degree. Okay, if this is not the 45 degrees, so it may be AB will be different side length, and BC side will be the different length. Okay, So area of the triangle, area of triangle, right angle triangle equal to, you know that 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, so 1 by 2 base is what? BC into height, we know that AB. Okay, so equivalent to 1 by 2 BC is A and AB is A. So in case of the AB and BC is same, where AB equal to BC. Okay, if AB and BC is not equal to same, okay, AB not equal to BC, okay, so if I consider this is the A and AB equal to B, so if I say BC equal to A centimeter and AB equal to B centimeter, so area of triangle will become the 1 by 2 base into height. So base is A, height is B. So this will become the area of the triangle, 1 by 2 base into height. So this one I talk about the generalized term. So 1 by 2 base into height, so it will be 1, 1 by 2 A into B. So now we'll talk about the area of the isosceles triangle, where the two side of the triangle, okay, where two side of the triangle is same. So this two side AB and AC is length is same. So AB equal to AC length I am talking. So AB and AC length is same. Okay. So if I say this is the B length, B centimeter, so AC will also be the B centimeter, and BC I am considering this is the A centimeter. Okay, A centimeter. So now I need to find out the area of the isosceles triangle. Okay. So we know that so AD is perpendicular to the BC. Okay. So in this case, BD equal to 1 by 2 BC. So it will be 1 by 2. So we know that BD equal to 1 by 2, A by 2, and DC equal to also A by 2. Fine. Now we can find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is nothing but the 1 by 2 base into height. So how to find out the height? Height is h. But if we consider the triangle, okay, triangle ABD, okay, this is the right, ABD is the right angle triangle. So in this ABD right angle triangle, what we can do here, we can find out the AD, okay, because we know that the AB and we know that the BD, AB is the hypotenuse and BD equal to BS. So we know that the Pythagoras theorem, okay, AB square equal to BD square, okay, plus AD square. So AB square is length is B, so B square equal to BD square is A by 2 ka whole square, A by 4, A square by 4 plus AD square. Okay, so AD square equal to B square minus A square by 4. So it will be 4B square, okay, minus A square by 4. So AD will be root, okay, 4B square minus A square by, or we can do underscore 4 equal to 2. Okay, so this is the length of the AD. Now we can write the area of the triangle, area of an isosceles triangle equal to 1 by 2 base, okay, into height. So base is what? Base is BC, okay, into height is AD. So we know that the value of the BC and AD, I can put it in this. Okay, so 1 by 2 base is A, okay, AD is, we have just find out here AD, so root 4B square minus A square by 2. So this will be the 1 by 4A underscore 4B square minus A square. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle 1 by 4A underscore 4B square minus A square of the isosceles triangle. So this, through this formula, okay, we can find out the any of the isosceles triangle if you know that the height and we know that the base, okay. So easily we can find out the area of the isosceles triangle. So now we will see that the area of the equilateral triangle. So what is the equilateral triangle? First we will try to understand. The equilateral triangle is nothing but where all the side of the triangle is same, okay. So I will just draw the equilateral triangle. So here I am trying to make all the side of the triangle is same. So this is my the equilateral triangle ABC. The triangle ABC. This is the equilateral triangle. So I can say the length of the sides are same. So if I say the length of side is same, that means AB equal to BC equal to, okay, CA, okay. And if I consider the length of the BC is A, okay, A centimeter. So all the side of the triangle will be A centimeter. So it will be the A centimeter, okay. Now we need to find out the length of area of the equilateral this triangle, okay. So what we can do, we know that the Heron's formula, okay. What is the Heron's formula? Say Heron's formula say area of the triangle, okay, equal to underscore, okay, s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c, okay, where s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So here A, B and C is nothing but the length of the triangle, okay. So length of the, okay, side of the triangle. So A is suppose this AB, B is BC and AC equal to C. So here all the length is same. So what is the value of the S? I can find out the S equal to A plus B plus C. All will be A. So A plus A by 2. It will be 3A by 2. Okay. Now we can put this S value into the our Heron's formula. So area of the triangle will be area of an triangle, okay, equal to, so here all the length is A. So wherever the A equal to B equal to C equal to A, okay. So it will be the A, B and C, all the length will be equal to A, okay. So here S I will put it 3A by 2, S minus A, so S is the 3A minus by 2 minus A, S minus B, 3A by 2 minus A, B is nothing but the A, C is 3A minus 2 by minus A, okay. So now we will calculate this one. So it will be finally it will be, now I will further calculate. So it will be root underscore underscore 3A by 2. This will be the 3A minus 2A by 2. So it will be A by 2. Similar way, this will be the A by 2. This will be the A by 2. So here we can write here. So 3 by 2 to the power 4, A to the power 4. So we can find out root 3 to the power 2 is 4 into A square. So we can say area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 and A square. So other word we can say area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side is square, okay, side of the triangle is square, okay. So this is the formula for, okay, finding the area of the triangle, equilateral triangle. So instead of doing all those calculation everything directly, we can put the formula, we can put the value into the formula root 3 by 4 A square. A is the side is given of the equilateral triangle. So simply we'll put the value into this formula and find out the area of the equilateral triangle. So now we'll talk about the Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula? Is say how to find out the area of the triangle, any triangle. Okay, it can be any triangle like equilateral triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. So find out the area of the triangle is, suppose the my triangle is ABC. Okay, and just I'm trying the triangle. Okay, so this is my triangle ABC. Okay, A, B, and C. Suppose the BC is length is A, AC is B, and AB equal to C. Okay, so what will be the area of the triangle? Area of an triangle will be underscore, okay, as S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so where A, B, C are the side of the triangle. Okay, and S is the semi perimeter. So S is semi perimeter. Okay, and S equal to 1 by 2 sum of all the sides. So A plus B plus C. So S equal to 1 by 2 sum of all the sides. Okay, so this is the Heron's formula where we can find out area of the any triangle. So if all the sides are given of the triangle, okay, we can easily find out just putting the value of, just calculate the value of the S. Okay, the semi perimeter, and this value we can put it in the formula is S minus A, S minus underscore S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so easily you can find out the area of the triangle. Thank you very much.